Krista and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do this pink and blue look. Part of this video might be a voiceover because it was a challenge. Let's just say that it was a challenge. So if you want to see this look, keep watching. Okay, so my eyes are primed with Tarte Shape Tape and I have on some eye patches from Wander Beauty that I'm gonna wear while I do my eyeshadow. So I had a completely different look in mind that I was gonna do today, but it didn't work out because I had a shirt that I was gonna wear and Pretty Little Thing played me. Okay, they sent me a toddler shirt. Literally it had to have been for a toddler because it does not fit at all. So I'm gonna go in with the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal with this electric blue kind of color. And I'm gonna put that in my crease and hope for the best. I'm actually surprised by this color because this is the first time I've used this palette and I actually heard pretty terrible things about it. A lot of people said that it was crap. So I'm surprised. I'm gonna keep building this color up and try to get it pretty intense and really blue in the crease. I'm also gonna pack this on like the whole outer half. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. My left eye is kind of always my trouble eye. It's a little bit harder for me to blend my left eye. I don't know why. So I'm gonna take a smaller, like little teeny tiny brush to get in my inner corner and pack that on the crease. This brush has nothing on it. I'm literally just gonna blend out the edges with it. It's just a fluffy brush with no product. I'm going to cut my crease halfway just so that that pink color like really shows up. So I'm gonna tap back and forth between the pink and the blue and blend that out. The problem with this palette is that this pink color does not blend out. It just rubs right away. So alright, so at some point whenever I was going back and forth with the pink and the blue shades on my eyes, my camera cut off and I just left it because it was a never-ending process. So I just continue to go back and forth. I'm probably going to do a voiceover over that part of the video because it was a process. So I'm priming my face with this Cover FX primer. I was getting so annoyed with that pink shade. It was just terrible, honestly. So I actually ended up going into another palette, which I'll talk about it so you guys will already know. I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is a sponge from Dollar General Beauty, which it's actually really good. I like this sponge a lot. And it's like $2. So if you're looking for an affordable beauty sponge, this is it. So I finally edited and uploaded my first video, which was actually kind of a long time ago whenever I filmed it at this point, but I plan to put out videos every single week. I'm gonna try to have a new video once a week. I don't know what day. I'm not gonna say a day because I don't really know as far as my work schedule and everything else. So I'm not gonna lie and say a day whenever I don't really know. And then hopefully as I get better at editing, I can put out more than one video a week. But it took me a really long time to edit my video, probably because I've never edited videos before until then. So it was a lot of work. Not really a lot of work, it just was time consuming because I wanted to watch it over and over and over. I had like an hour and a half of footage that I was trying to make into like less than 15 minutes because I don't want my videos to be too long because I'm new and a lot of people won't stay to watch that long of a video. I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in 380 Pecan. I like this concealer. I don't like the applicator. If there's not a lot of product on the applicator, it will kind of scratch you. I don't really know any other way to explain it. Does anybody else have that problem? Because maybe it's just my applicator, I don't know. But it kind of like, it's like hard and it doesn't feel good. It kind of feels like something's scratching you. So I don't really care for the applicator. I'm just gonna take the excess and put it on my forehead and on my chin because I kind of put a lot. Hopefully I'm not like as quiet in this video as I was in the other video. I'm not sure because I feel like I'm talking at a normal level, but I thought I was talking at a normal level in the last video, but it was kind of quiet, I guess. I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. In my last video, I was like tapping off the excess powder and I was tapping it on my desk, which I never realized how annoying that was or would be in a video until I was editing the footage. And then I realized how annoying that sounded. So sorry about that. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Shady Slim brow pencil. Alright, let me hurry up because I've been sitting here for the longest time. I'm going back in with the Party Animal palette and this little tiny pencil brush. And I'm gonna put that blue shade all over my lower lash line, pack it on. So I'm going to put this Rimmel Scandalized stick in my eyeline, my waterline, in Blamed Blue. And then grab that little pencil brush again and make sure anything that kind of like got on my lashes is blended out. I'm gonna use this Artist Couture highlighter or whatever it's called, Diamond Glow powder in Purple Dream. I like this, but it's very glittery. Like I wouldn't wear this out honestly because it's a little too purple and too glittery, but for the purpose of the video it works. I'm gonna take a little brush and highlight my inner corner with it. I'm gonna spray my face with the Morphe setting spray. And I'm gonna line my lips with the LA Girl Bare lip liner. Okay, so this is the final look. I just put on the Wet n Wild lip gloss in Sin Nudes, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.